Arms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Visible Wireless. So Visible has a promotion going on right now where y'all guys can get a pair of AirPods with the purchase of a new iPhone SE 3rd generation. So before I get further into the video, I would like to give a big shout out to Dronic Warfare. He did a video about this on his channel, so check out his video and subscribe to Dronic Warfare if you ain't done so already. So if you guys go to Visible website, y'all guys will see it. So what you guys do is go to deals here, see our deals here. Then you guys will come to this page here, and you guys will scroll down just a little bit, and you guys will see right there it says switch to iPhone SE and get a pair of AirPods 3rd generation. So that's pretty cool. So it's very simple, guys. Become a new member and purchase the Apple iPhone SE, the 3rd generation 2022 version. Pretty simple enough. So you do have to be a new customer. Transfer your number from an eligible carrier within 14 days. Set up your SIM and activate. Transfer your number from an eligible carrier. I guess 2 and 4. I guess it's like 3 steps because 2 and 4 are pretty much the same thing. So yeah. So if you guys then get to the iPhone page, it will show you guys. I think it will show you guys that. And I'll show you guys that here in just a second. Once this page loads here. Wait for it to load here. So this is the new iPhone here, the iPhone SE right here. So you click on this, and it should have something about the promotion inside of the phone there. So let's click on it and see what it has to say about it. So you guys have to get this particular iPhone SE to get this promotion here. So you do have to be a new customer, transfer your number over to Visible, and it's pretty much simple, guys. So you guys will see right there. Get a pair of Apple AirPods 3. I basically show you guys the same thing I just showed you guys just a second ago. So you guys can get the iPhone SE. So if you guys are curious about the prices, it's $429, $479, and then $579 respectively for just 3 storage options, and they're currently in stock as of this video recording. So yeah, you guys have to get the new iPhone SE to get the AirPods 3rd generation. So check it out if you guys are interested. Like I said, you do have to be a new customer to Visible. Transfer your number over to Visible Wireless, and you guys should be good to go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.